I do this kind of thing for fun all the time, so I've done it in class just to goof off. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is you're going to go to BandLab. I think there's a shortcut for it, but for this, I'm not gonna really worry about it. And they're gonna go to Settings, and then, no, you're gonna go to View. Okay, so you go, I'm sorry, it's a little bit blurry right now, so you go BandLab, View, MIDI mapping. Okay, and so the screen changes like quite a bit. Okay, so there's not a ton of things that you can apply to the MIDI keyboard, but it's perfectly fine. Actually, this is what I'm going to do really quick. I want to do something else before I start. So I'm going to go back to View and take MIDI mapping off. I kind of want to organize this a bit better, so I'm going to put my drums all at the top, and then my bass underneath the drums. You don't have to do this. This is just my personal preference. So it kind of all goes in order. I have drums, 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 bass, kind of like, I don't know what that is, like some sort of keyboard and vocals. Okay, so it's nice and organized. Now I'm gonna go back, View, MIDI mapping. Okay, so what does this even mean? We don't really have anything set. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, so now I have no MIDI mapping. I don't even know why that popped up. Okay, so there's nothing. So what I do is, and I'm gonna have to grab the camera here. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna click the M button, which is mute, okay? And now it's highlighted, okay? I'm not touching anything else. Now I'm gonna go to my MIDI keyboard, and actually I'm just gonna take this out of the stand. And now I'm gonna click this button. And what happened when I did that is this got assigned. Okay, so now, actually I'm not gonna touch anything else. I'm just gonna go through. Okay, so now I'm gonna click M for this one, and I'm gonna click the second one, okay? And now we have two things assigned, okay? I'm gonna keep on going, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go M, and now I'm gonna click my third key. And now I have three keys. They're all different keys, they're assigned. I know it's hard to kind of see, it says it over here too. So I have the key C, D, and then E. Now I'm gonna do the fourth key. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I got that one. I'm gonna do an M for the fifth key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 5 keys assigned for my MIDI mapping, and then my last one. So I have 6 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. One last thing, and this is going to help for your DJ set, is you can actually do it for the volume too. So I'm going to click volume, and now rather than doing a key, because I want the volume is a bit of a slider, so I'm going to go to this like first one. Doesn't matter which one you choose, and I'm just going to move it a little bit, and it assigns down at the bottom. Okay, so now we have a volume knob, and for me it's going to be this top one right here. Cool. So now I have all of my MIDIs assigned. So I'm going to go back to View, and I'm going to close my MIDI mapping viewing. So what does that even do? So I'm going to press play. Now I'm going to click this button, and you'll see what happens when I do it. See, now that one went gray. I'll just do the next three, these three. Okay, now let's say like it's gonna take some time. You're gonna wanna like rehearse, you know, see like what kind of works for you. So if I were to actually start my DJ set, I would probably start with just maybe the shakers. So what I did was I'm gonna click these two. So now I have those top two, and then I'm gonna click not this one, but these three, so that now the only thing that should be playing is that one. And I can also mess around with the volume. You see the sliders moving on my computer screen just because I'm moving it right over here. Now, if you keep it in tempo, like if you hit it at the right time, it's gonna sound good. Now, if you're doing a live set, like don't be in a hurry, you know, let it breathe. Maybe we'll turn it down a little bit. There's no rules on this. Once you have it set, you're just kind of playing around having fun. Let it breathe. All I did was just click some more, kind of mess with my knob here. Still kind of just letting it breathe, but I'm thinking when it comes around again, I think I want to bring that bass in. And that's my fourth. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now mess with my volume slider a little bit. Let it breathe, let it keep playing. Maybe to make it fun, I'll just have bass only. Now is a good time to kind of bring the rest of them in. So I'm gonna click these 4 when it comes back around. Here it comes. There we go. Now we got ourselves a little set here. Okay, here comes the vocals. Okay, I'm gonna kind of close it out right here and bring everything back in. I'm gonna let it play through this one and then one more, and I'm just gonna fade out ending with using my volume slider. And voila, there you have it. You have yourself a little set. Now it's still playing because I have it everything muted. So like I said, that is gonna be your goal. That's gonna be the established project. Well, this has ended up being a very long tutorial, but that's your established project for the week. I'll be making many announcements, so I shouldn't even do it on the tutorial. So anyways, I'll be coming around to help you if you need some help.